I'm not recording. Okay, let's start with math. You can have your notebook because we're going to solve some additions. Remember that we were adding some additions, so you can write this as a topic, or you can write review in your notebook. Adding whole numbers, we're going to add today. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to write the topic. So you can look for your notebook if you are not ready with your notebook in these 2 minutes. And write the topic, please. Did you finish to write the topic, class?
I finished, Miss.
Okay, Anna?
I finished.
Jan, great.
I finished, Miss. I finished, Miss.
Okay, I'm going to share the slide. If you don't finish to write the topic, don't worry. I'm going to write the topic, the next slide. Now, we're going to add. It's times to add. Okay, this one. We're going to add. I'm going to write this. So you can write these examples in your notebook. Numbers. That is the topic. You don't finish to copy, you can copy here. Now, we're going to copy these examples in the notebook and we're going to add. Don't forget that when we are adding, we start with the ones. We start adding the right side. So we start with the ones. It means that we're going to start adding the 6 that is on the 1 in this 546. 6 is on the ones according to the place value chart. And 436, number 6, is also on in the ones. So we're going to start adding. Yes, you have to copy this. We start adding 6 plus 6, and we write the answer down at the ones. So what is the answer of 6 plus 6, class?
12.
12. It's 12. That's right. Now, which number we're going to write on the ones on 12?
2.
The number 2. That's right. So we regroup number 2 ones and we write 1 on the 10th, right? Because we have 1/10 from 12. So we write number 2. 6 plus 6 is 12, but we regroup. We write number 2 ones and 1 on the 10th. Now we add the 10s that we have. 4 plus 3 plus 1 that we are regrouping here. We are adding on the 10s. Who knows the answer of 4 plus 3 plus 1?
4 plus
3 plus 1.
8.
It's 8, that's right. It's 8, so we write under the 10th number 8. And we continue. That's right, Anna. We add the hundreds. 5 plus 4, it's 9. So we write number 9 here. And our answer is this. How do you read this number, class?
982.
982. 982. Excellent. Excellent. You read it so well. 982 is our answer. So that's the end. We finished to add because we just have ones, tens, and hundreds to add. So we finish here, number 1. Tell me, Caleb.
Copy that.
Yes, copy this in your notebook, please.
Okay.
Marcelo, number 2, you're going to help me, Marcelo, with the second addition. Which numbers we're going to start adding first, Marcelo?
10.
That's
Number-
right. It's 10. 8 plus 2, it's 10. Which
In-
number we're going to
in-
write?
0 and 1.
On the tens.
Arriba del 3.
Up of number 3, that's right. On the tens. Now,
6.
that's right. It's 6. We have 3 plus 2 plus 1. Mhm.
9.
960.
How do you read that number? Excellent, Hermes. 960. That's right. That's the way that you read that number. Perfect. Excellent, Marcelo. Thank you. Thank you. Hermes, read the next one, please. Hermes. You're going to solve the next addition.
2 plus 9.
Mhm.
Did you have to write?
Yes, Marcelo. 2 plus 9 or 9 plus 2 is the same.
1. Ay, ¿cómo se llama?
How do you say that in English?
11.
11. Excellent. 11. So we write 1. Mhm.
And the 1. 6.
6. That's right. 6.
661.
Excellent. 661. Thank you, Hermes. Thank you. Okay, Danny, help me with the next one, Danny.
4 plus 7, 11.
Mhm.
3 plus 2 plus 1, 6.
Excellent.
And 7 plus 1, 8.
How do you read this number?
861.
Excellent. 861. Congratulations. That's the answer. Okay, let's say Santiago Hernandez. You are going to help me with the next addition. Santiago Hernandez, this one.
15.
Okay, 9 plus 6, what's the answer?
16.
Say it one more time. You say 60 or what?
16.
16.
No. 16. 60.
15 or 16?
16.
Which number we're going to write down here, Santiago? Which number is going to be on the ones?
16. 16.
60.
But which number is going to be here on the one, Santiago Hernandez?
5.
Number 5. Okay, 15. 15. Number 1 here. Now we continue adding.
7.
Then
Is 600.
6. Okay, read that number now, Santiago. How do you read that number?
175.
Excellent. 675. That's right. Alberto, you're going to do the next one. So we're going to add Alberto 523 plus 267.
10.
3 plus 2 equal 10. Which number we're going to write on the ones, Alberto?
0.
The 0, that's right. We regroup the ones on the tens. Great. Now, one plus 2 plus 6.
9.
9, that's right. So we write 9 and we continue with the hundreds. 5 plus 2.
7.
7. Now, Alberto, how do you read this number?
I know it.
790.
790. 790.
That's right, Zian. Say it one more time, Zian.
790.
790. That's right. That's the way that we say this number in English. 700, because number 7, if you remember the place value chart that we reviewed yesterday, this number is located on the 100. So we rate that we say 790. These two numbers, we're going to read it together. 790, 675, 661, and so on. Yes? Did you finish, class? Did you finish to copy some exercises?
Yes.
I finished.
You finished? Great. Yes.
Miss, how do you write review?
Review. How do you write review? How do you spell review? This way. Look, review. You can write it.
I finish, Miss.
W.
I finish.
Okay.
I finish, Miss.
I finished.
Finished. Okay, let's go next slide. Don't worry if you don't copy everything. This is a review. So the important here is that you know, that you remember that when you are adding class, we start with the ones. So we start adding the ones. In this case, for example, 438 plus 522, we start adding just the ones first. So it means
This
A
is
plus
really
2.
easy.
Yes, it's easy, but sometimes we can get confused and start adding first this. But no, remember, we start with the ones. So we start with these numbers. Always we start with the numbers that are on the right side. And we continue moving, adding the next digits until we finish to add all of them. We start with ones, then with the tens, and then with the hundreds. Yes? Okay, now I'm going to change this slide. Okay, we're going to copy this. Time to add. You can copy some of them. You can copy. As you can notice here, we have more numbers, more digits to add. So in the previous one, we have just until hundreds. Now we have a comma. So it means that we have a new period with the thousands. So these numbers might be on the thousands, the answer. Yes? Okay, Lucia Alvarenga, you're going to help me with number 1, Lucia.
9.
Read the number. Try to read this number. How do you read this number in English?
2,400, 118.
Okay, remember, we say 243,000.
118.
Excellent, 118. Plus, how do you read this number?
612,741.
Excellent, excellent. Now, we start adding which numbers, Lucia?
For the ones.
The ones. A plus 1, that's right. What's the answer? A plus 1.
9.
It's 9.
9.
Excellent. So we continue now with the next numbers.
10.
1 plus 4.
5. 8.
1 plus 7, 8. What is the next thing that we need to do?
Comma.
To write the comma, that's right. We write the comma, we copy the comma. Now we continue adding 3 plus 2.
5.
5, that's right.
5.
4 plus 1, 5. And the last, it's 2 plus 6.
8.
Excellent. Now, Lucia, try to read this number, the answer.
855,869.
800.
to write?
800. Yes, you can copy some examples. You can copy some examples. 855,859. That's right. That's the answer. Thank you, Lucia. Excellent. Fernando, you're going to help me with this one. This.
Okay. 3 plus 3 is 6.
Okay, first read the number. How do you read this number in English?
300,046. I don't know.
Okay,
300.
300. Just 346,000.
346,583
Excellent. Plus
plus 431,473.
excellent, excellent. Now we can start adding the ones. That it's 3 plus 3, right? What's the answer?
6.
Excellent. Continue.
And 8 plus 7. 15.
15, that's right. So we regroup, we write the 5, and we regroup the 1 on the hundreds.
10.
10, the same. We write a 0, and we regroup the 1 thousands on the thousands.
8.
8, okay. Now remember that we need to write the comma. 4 plus 3.
7.
7, that's right. And the last digits, we have 3 plus 4.
7.
It's the same 7. Now, Fernando, how do you read the answer?
778,056.
Excellent. That's right. That's right. Thank you, Fernando. Now, Mia Valentina. Mia, you're going to help me with the next one, Mia. With this. Mia Sierra.
Yes, miss.
Okay, you're going to help me. How do you read this number in English?
864, 710.
One more time. One more time, say it.
800, 147.
800. 64,000. 710.
10.
Plus, how do you read this number?
Plus 552, 22.
522,000.
22,000.
200.
211.
11. That's right. So 522,211. Now we're going to add, Mia. Which numbers we're going to add first?
Yes, miss.
Which numbers we're going to start adding, Mia? The ones, right? So it means that we're going to add 0 plus 1. What's the answer of 0 plus 1?
1.
1. Now we continue. 1 plus 1.
2.
2. 7 plus 2.
9.
9. Okay, we write the comma because we start a new period. Okay, we start with the thousands. 4 plus 2.
6.
6 plus 2.
6 plus 2.
8.
8, and 8 plus 5.
Wait. $43. No, 13.
How do you say 13 in English?
13.
13.
13, that's
13.
right. So in this case, we write 13 because we don't have to add more digits. So
Yes.
since we've finished, we write 13. If we have another number, we need to regroup, but in this case, no, we don't have more numbers, so we write 13. Now, okay, I'm going to write one more. 13. How do we read this number? Look here, remember that a period is made of 3 digits. They made one period. So we have 3 here, 1, 2, 3. So after here, after number 1, here we have to write a comma, another comma here. How do you read this number?
30, 80,
Million
86,
200.
21.
86.
Hmm?
I don't know. I just know that it's a million because a million has 6 numbers.
That's right, Sian, excellent. We start with millions in this case because we have 6 digits. And remember that after the thousands, we start millions. So Sian, excellent. We have 1 million, 1 million. And then how do we read this number? 1 million.
So we million.
300,
86,
86.
comma,
The comma is thousand, remember thousands.
921.
921, that's right. So we say 1,386,921. That's the way that we read this number.
And 9 million is 20.
1,386,921. Yes? Excellent, excellent, Lian. Thank you, Mia. Excellent also. Okay, let's see. Here we have, okay, we have one more. We're going to finish with this. Gabriela, tell me.
Miss, we have to write it the comma in one.
Yes, after the one we have a comma. Why? Because remember that after the 3 digits made one period. So 1 comma, because this is on the millions.
Okay.
Rebecca, tell me.
Can participate.
Okay, yes. How do you read this number, Rebecca, in English?
Sorry, 324,000 67
700.
700. Okay, okay. 324,077.
770.
707.
Plus, how do you read this number?
984,064. 64.
Oh, 600.
664,000.
984,646. Okay, now, Rebecca, we start adding the one. So we start 0 plus 6, right? Don't forget that we start with the ones.
6.
It's 6. Then we continue 7 plus 4.
11.
11. That's right. We write number 1 and we recruit ones on the hundreds.
13.
14. 7 plus 6 plus 4. It's 14. We write the 4. And we don't forget to write a comma. And we regroup the ones on the thousands. 4 plus 4 plus 1.
9. Only copy one example.
9, yes, it's okay. 2 plus 8.
2 plus 8. 10.
10, we write 0 and we regroup the ones on the 100,000s. 3 plus 9 plus 1.
13.
13. Again, we have 13, so we write 13 because we don't have more digits to add. Now, again, we have to write a comma after number 1. Why? Because we have a new period. Now, who can tell me how do you read this number, class?
1,109,416.
That's right, Sian. That's right.
9,416.
16, that's right, Lucia, excellent. Yes, 1,309,416. That's the way that we read this number. Excellent, excellent. Questions about addition. Remember, additions you need to add if you don't remember the number in English. Well, you need that. It doesn't matter because you have more time to study the numbers, but don't forget that when we're adding, we start with the ones. All the times we start adding on the right side and then we continue adding the next digits. Okay, we're going to stop the class here, class. We're going to finish here so you can disconnect. Don't worry if you don't copy everything, just copy some examples. You don't have to copy everything, class. Yes?
I am in the 2. I copied 2.
Okay, excellent. Show me your notebook and you can go. Bye-bye, class. See you next class. Excellent, Hermes, Rebecca, Camila, Sian. Congratulations, Andrea, Lucia. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye, bye-bye, Kiara. Bye-bye, Joshua. Yes, remember to write the comma here. In the last exercise, write the comma. And in these 2 exercises, you have to write a comma because we start with the millions.
Teacher.